y'all, thank you so much for tuning in again. Today I'm sharing with you a very special secret. I mean, this is super top secret. It is my favorite chocolate peanut butter protein shake. So here are some of my favorite ingredients. I've already prepped them and I got my little $10 blender. Who said you need to buy a $300 blender? Don't get me wrong, I love my Vitamix, but this is $10, y'all. It's a $10 blender, okay? So here we go. We's about to get into a delicious and nutritious protein shake. Sometimes after my workouts, I don't really want to go and dive into a meal, but because I'm vegan and vegetarian, I need to make sure that I am carefully using foods that have high protein. So this is a secret recipe, and I like to call it chocolate for your mama. So I am trying to recreate my all-time favorite dessert at Whole Foods. It is the chocolate peanut butter brownie. I don't know if y'all been to Whole Foods, but there is this brownie that is so freaking good. It is chocolate and peanut butter, and I love it. But when I'm working out and I'm working hard on my body, I don't want to be putting that in my body because I know it's gonna go straight to these little chuletas, okay? These little, yeah. Some people call it a pupa. Some people call it love handles, you know, chichinas. Whatever you want to call it. If I eat something sweet, best believe I'm gonna start flapping in the wind, okay? Sometimes your girl wants some sugar, but I want to make sure that it's coming from a clean source. Some people are very against bananas because they say it's too sugary. So basically, this my family loves, but for me, I probably would eat this shake maybe twice a week whenever I get that real sugary craving. But anyways, this is totally a Whole Foods dupe, guys. This is a Whole Foods chocolate brownie dupe. I'm going to put you guys on to something you've never tasted before. It is delicious. It is phenomenal. And you guys are gonna thank me. Trust and believe. So things that I use in this are very simple. You could probably already have them in your cabinet. I use a vegan milk. So today I'm using my oat milk. I use hazelnut spread, but I tried to get a hazelnut spread, guys. I know a lot of you guys use Nutella. That's cool, but I tried to just get a hazelnut that has real cocoa and it is very little on the sugar. So make sure whatever hazelnut spread you're using is low on the sugar. We don't want to OD on the sugar with this, okay? Then I use my nut butter. So this is so freaking good. This is a blend of so many different nut butters, but you can use peanut butter, almond butter, whatever your little heart desires, guys. I just love this nut butter, okay? Then I use my bananas. I freeze my bananas. So this is easy. You can meal prep it for the week. Freeze them if you want to put them in your smoothies. Trust and believe, you'll thank me. And then my frozen spinach. You guys can freeze any greens you want, like spinach and kale or anything you want. I choose spinach. I wash it really good and I pop it in my freezer in my little Ziploc bag, and then I just take a handful at a time. You guys can use a cocoa powder. This is Hershey's. You can use any cocoa powder. Then you got yourself some ice. And what I've done is I've put them all in this little handy dandy, cute little, see? I've been working for you guys. I've been working trying to make it cute for you guys so you guys think I'm professional, because you know I'm a beginner, okay? Bye guys. Subscribe, like, and follow. Bye. Hey guys. So thank you so much for tuning in again. It's your girl Zoya Milan, and you know I gets down with the fitness. Okay? I gets down with the fitness. Down with the fitness. Sometimes and I like to call it heavenly hemp. Heavenly hemp. Heavenly hemp. Heavenly hemp. No. Hey sister, soul sister, better get that dough, sister. Hey sister, soul sister, better get that dough, sister. Hey sister, soul sister, better get that dough, sister. Hey sister, soul sister, better get that dough, sister. Hey sister, soul sister, better get that dough, sister.